how to share WooCommerce products on Facebook group automatically. So assume that you have just added a new product in your WooCommerce store and now you want to share the very same product with all your community members on Facebook. So either you can manually share the product information with all your community members, or you can entirely automate this process in such a way that whenever a new product is added in your store, the same product will be instantly shared on your Facebook group automatically. Want to know how you can also do that? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the dashboard of WooCommerce, and as soon as I add a new product here, the same product will be shared in one of my Facebook group automatically. But to automate this whole process, firstly I will have to build an integration, build a connection in this WooCommerce and Facebook application, which I am going to do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as share WooCommerce products on Facebook group automatically. Now simply select the folder in which you would like to create this workflow. Okay, so I have selected this main workflows. Now simply click on create and then you will find 2 boxes in front of you. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. Okay, so this is how you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, we want that whenever any new product is added in WooCommerce application, then automatically share the product on Facebook group application. Okay, so let me search for the same application, that is Facebook group. Alright, so this is the application, and the idea here is firstly I will connect to WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect and will capture all the product details here. Then I will connect to Facebook group with Pabbly Connect and will send the details here. Okay, so let us connect to WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now firstly I'll select the trigger event. You can even read the instructions when a new product is created. So yes, I want to perform the same. I want that whenever a new product is created, this automation should trigger, or we can say the data of that product should be captured via webhook response as a webhook response. Okay, so how we are going to build this connection? Basically with the help of this webhook URL, and the instruction, the steps for the same are already given here. Okay, so simply copy this webhook URL, then go back to the settings section of WooCommerce. Further you will have to click on the advanced section, and finally we will click on the advanced, I'm really sorry, not advanced, the webhook options. Okay, give me a second. This is the webhook option, and here I'm going to add a new webhook from this particular button. Okay, here you can notice few webhook URLs are already added here, but I am going to add a new webhook URL. Alright, so first of all it is asking for the name, so I will provide the name something like Connect WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. Okay, I'm providing this particular name. In the status, of course, it is going to be active. The topic will be the same, that is product created, because I want to perform the same. Asking for the delivery URL, so I will be pasting the same webhook URL which I have just got via Pabbly Connect. Now finally I will click on the save webhook button, and in this way the webhook will be saved successfully, and that means the connection in between Pabbly and WooCommerce is successfully done. Okay, so webhook updated successfully. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here also you can notice that a response is received along with the webhook ID. That means the webhook is added successfully. Okay, now I'll click on this button once again, that is recapture webhook response, in order to test this integration. Okay, you can also read the instructions, log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new product in WooCommerce store. So yes, I'm going to do the same. I will create a new product in my WooCommerce store, and you will notice that the details will be captured here as a response. So alright, so this is the dashboard of WooCommerce. Give me a second. Now I will visit the product section, and here I'm going to upload some random product. Okay, so give me a second. Clicking on this add new product button, and here firstly I will provide the name to my product. Okay, so assume that I am uploading a smartphone. Okay, so Redmi Note, okay, give me a second, once again, Note 9 Pro Max. Okay, further asking for the description, so I'm leaving it blank, asking for the various details. Okay, so here I will provide the details, something like this. The sales price is going to be, let's say, 18,999, and you can provide all other information as well, but currently I will provide only the basic details, few basic details. Asking for the product image. Well, one product image, basically my smartphone image is already added because I have already uploaded here, so I'm going to set the very same product image here. Asking for the product short description, so here I will add something like a smartphone, an Android smartphone. Okay, I am giving a very basic short description so that I can show you how these details will be shared automatically on my Facebook group. Okay, finally I'm clicking on publish button, and as soon as this product is updated here in my WooCommerce store, you will see the details will be shared automatically. First of all, the details will be captured here as a webhook response. Okay, so fingers crossed, waiting for the response. Here also you can notice the product is uploaded successfully, and here you can notice the response is received. Now I'll show you the details one by one. Okay, so here we have the same product description. Don't worry, I'll show you the way that how you can remove these extra HTML tags. Here we have the very same slug also, basically the slug of that product page. Alright, so here we also have the sales price, and in this way all the data has been captured. This is the product name. Okay, and let me also show you the image of this particular product. Okay, so this is the link. How about I open this link in a new tab and check for this image whether it is same or not, and yes, it is the same image. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. So now onwards, what will happen? Every time a new product is created in WooCommerce, the same product details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So in this way, the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I am going to share the same product with my community members on Facebook group. Okay, so the application is already selected. Now I will select the action event. So because I also want to share the image, so that is why I'll go with this specific action event. Now clicking on connect, then clicking on add new connection, clicking on this button, and because I am already logged in my Facebook account, so instead of asking me for the access, it is asking me for the permission. So I have provided it, and here you will notice the authorization will be successful, and Facebook group application will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Alright, you can notice it is connected, and because we are connected, whatever the groups are available in my Facebook account have started visible here in the drop down. So I am going to select that group in which I would like to share all my product details. Okay, so I have selected the same, that is Pabbly Tech. Okay, coming back to the dashboard, and here also I will search for the very same product name, that is Pabbly Tech. Okay, asking for the photo URL. Now you tell me from where I'm going to provide the photo URL. Remember, I have already captured the details as a response of my trigger step of my WooCommerce step, and the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually copy the above details and paste below again and again. Okay, I'm going to map the details, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on this field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. So I will search for the image. Alright, so I have mapped it successfully. Now you must be thinking, what is the importance of mapping? So whatever the details I will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time or in next time. But whatever the details I'm providing here manually or via from drop down, those details will remain same. Okay, so this is the difference, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation. Asking for the description, well, I have prepared a very small text. So first of all, I'm going to copy and paste the same text here, and then firstly I'm going to correct the formatting of this message. Okay, new product is live on our e-commerce store, and before that I also want hello all group members, comma, new product is live on our e-commerce store. Okay, and after that I want that the name of that product should appear here automatically. Okay, so that is why I am going to map such a details. Whatever the details I want to keep on changing automatically as soon as a new product is added in WooCommerce, I am specifically going to map those details. Okay, and I have already told you the process of mapping. Simply click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me search for that data. Alright, so I have mapped it successfully. Asking for the final price, so I will search for the sales price, which is 18,999. Asking for the product link, okay, so directly search for the permalink, and this is the product link. And lastly I will add the image link also. Okay, give me a second. Alright, so I have added all the details, and again I am telling you the details which I have provided manually will remain same, and the details which I have mapped will be changed automatically. Okay, so I have provided all the details, but before I click on this button here, an important note is given. In order to use Facebook groups with Pabbly Connect, you must have installed this Pabbly Connect app in your Facebook group. Okay, so let us go back to the Facebook group. This is my Facebook group. Now finally I'll click on the settings, basically into the group settings, and in the last you will find the option of application. Okay, so here you can notice one app is already installed. So first of all I am going to remove that app so that I can show you everything from scratch. Okay, here you can notice you have removed Pabbly Connect from the group and currently no apps are available. So now I'll click on this edit option once again, and again clicking on this button, that is add apps, and here in the app section I will search for the Pabbly Connect apps. Okay, so this is my application which I am selecting, clicking on this add button, and in this way the application will be installed here. Okay, so here let me even show you one app is visible and it is the same Pabbly Connect app. Okay, so in this way you can easily install that Pabbly Connect application in your Facebook group, and in whatever the group you want to share these details, you will have to install that app in that specific group only. Okay, so I think everything is done. So now I'll click on this button, but before that let me visit this Pabbly Tech page. Alright, so that I can show you how my post will look like. Alright, so this is the most recent post, an image with a girl. Okay, coming back, clicking on this button, waiting for the response, and once the response is received I'll check whether the same post has been shared on my Facebook group automatically or not. Okay, so fingers crossed. And the response is received. So going back, let me first refresh my Facebook group page, and I am really expecting the same post should be shared. Alright, you can notice, hello all group members, new product is live on our e-commerce store. The name of the product is here, the final price is here, the product link and the image link is also here. Okay, so in this way, with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can build a connection in WooCommerce and Facebook application and automate the process of sharing the WooCommerce products directly on Facebook group automatically. Okay, so in this way your community members can actually check out all the details. Okay, and to automate this process you need to create this workflow inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and because my image is not visible, the thumbnail is not visible. Okay, so I will try to post the very same text one more time. Alright, so clicking on this button once again, and once again I will refresh my Facebook group, and I am really expecting that the image will start visible here. Okay. And did you notice, as soon as I refreshed my Facebook group, the same image is appeared here. Okay, so in this way you can automate this process. And just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same two-step workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.